Hello everyone, I am Sadat Mohammed again. Today I am going to talking about myself, but this is not an ordinary myself. This is about my school life. Everyone knows about his school life because many people has completed his school life past, and I completed my school life from Adarsh High School, and I completed my school. I completed my SSC from that school, and I admitted to that school from class 6 to 10. I have passed almost 5 years plus in that school, and there are lots of memories I have in my school, with my friends, with my teachers, and also some guardians. There are too much friendly teachers we have in our school, and in our batch we are kind of crazy guys, and also you can say that some of our students, some of our friends, some of our classmates make too much fun, like they disturbed our teachers many times, and the teachers sometimes give them punishment. And we, the students who don't like to make fun or make craziness, we can't stop our laughing at that time, and the whole class every time laughs too much at that time. And like that, when we are almost closing to our class 10 or leaving the school, when we felt that, we tried to make our time more better. We tried to spend our time together, and we tried to make more funs, like in the tiffin time we tried to share our tiffins together, and also in our classroom in our free time we tried to you can know that we try to sing songs in our classroom. Also, our teachers are really friendly. Okay, they try to help us every time. They try to make us easier the lessons, and also there are lots of funs in our school life. There are lots of memories. I also play with my friends football after the classes, and like to play many kinds of games like kabaddi, also cricket also, and we also play hide and seek in the tiffin time, and make lots of funs with us. And I think this is really important for us, for a person who was a student, and every student should memorize them all the time. Like if I am now in a job, so I need to get a break, or I can't get a break, and when I memorized my past, that I was a student, I had some friendly friends, and also had some my teachers who are really friendly. So it makes me happy all the time, and I really miss them too much. That's it for today. Thank you for listening me. Now I'm going to off.